This episode of Adventure Tech is brought to you by BougeRV. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This week we got the new Rocky 40 portable camping fridge and a special discount. If you're just looking to get that discount, you can get 32% off between November 14th and December 5th using the code ATBF. You can use the link in the comments or description to get that deal. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Until December 5th, a lot of the BougeRV products are priced super low. Take advantage while the sale lasts. The Rocky 40 from BougeRV is a 41-quart portable electric fridge/freezer. It can be powered through AC outlet, car outlet, and by using the extra expansion battery that you can power up using solar panels. It feels super sturdy and can handle 40-degree tilt in any direction, making it a pretty good choice for RV, overlander, and boats. Made from ABS plastic and has stainless steel cover plates that look really nice. Plus, the top is more usable than other coolers in my opinion, since ABS is pretty slippery. I noticed right away I like the stainless much more. The shape is really squared out, so it fits nicely into most locations. You can have it mounted down easily using the handle or take it out for more accessibility at your campsite. The top can be removed and reversed, which I like to do if I'm reaching in from my truck or from outside. Another really cool little feature, they got built-in bottle top removers. And every time I grab something out of this, I really notice how nice the stainless steel looks. It's really reflective, takes on whatever colors and lighting is around it. It doesn't stand out too much when you're out here in nature. The fridge comes in more versions up to 81 quarts, which will definitely hold a lot for you. Surprisingly, the energy use on these is super low too. Keeping them powered up is never an issue for me. I noticed it turn on from time to time and usually runs about 35 watts or so in eco mode. And this is my preferred design, as the chest type fridge freezer, cold air falls and warm air rises, so the cold air stays in the cooler when you open it, helping it to stay more efficient. Cooler does have two zones, but you can remove the divider and use the entire air inside for a single zone fridge or freezer. Definitely a really nice feature to have if you run a fridge or freezer, but also you have a fridge on one side and a freezer on the other side if that's what you want to do. Using the app, you can set temp for each side and monitor everything really easily. So this does not have wheels on it, but I would say it's better for being installed in the setup than the coolers that do have wheels. I find the wheels get in the way, so it's a nice square design. The Rocky 40 is working really good for me. Overall, a pretty good first impression with this cooler, and using my discount code puts it at a pretty low price. If you're interested in picking one up, use the discount code ATBF for 32% off, which is pretty big discount. Use the link in the comments or description. Get over to that page. Helps my channel out at the same time, which I always appreciate. Sales between November 14th and December 5th, along with huge deals on most of their products. So check everything out. Maybe you'll find something good. Hope these videos are helping you out. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. And most important, click the bell icon so when I make new videos, you can be one of the first ones to get the best deals.